Hey, 7K team. Whoa, there's some great things that's been happening in our back office. I want to make sure everybody's aware of and what to do and how to use them. Okay, first thing, hopefully, y'all have all seen all the new videos in your share link. If you haven't, you need to watch them because I think they're some of the best that we've ever had, to be honest. Uh, and so great tools lead to very big duplicatability and ease of sharing and building. So let me just get right to them on your share links. I'm gonna I'm gonna go into an account that is my like one of our little demo account. As you see, nothing's in it. Okay. And so we're going to go straight to share links. Okay. Now, so they don't have any links set up yet. So if you don't have links set up, then you need to do this. Every new member needs to do this. You need to create what is called a generic link for present and peak. Okay. So we're going to click on link. Uh, we're going to title it. I'm going to title the first one peak, QUE. Okay. I'm I'm not going to put anything in here, but you can edit this. And I see that it needs editing for these new videos. I'll share with you why. Okay. But right now we're going to leave it that we're going to click peak and we're going to click save changes. And this is a generic one. It's not attached to a person, but you on a quick basis can send this, can post it to a DM it. You share this many different ways. Okay. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy that to my memory. In our phone, we can do the same thing, and it's in our phone, and we can send a text, okay, with a link. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up here and open a tab, and I'm going to paste that link right here in that tab so we can see what I'm talking about. When you send this to someone, that's what they're going to see. They're going to see your name and they're going to see where you wrote to them. And now I'm going to show you why it's important. The peak now contains 4 videos. Okay. And if you click on this little arrow, you'll see all 4 of them. And you'll see what is fiat currency. Very good. Explains about it. Okay, that's 1 minute and 40 seconds. The chocolate money video, that's where the guy is on the streets giving people a choice to get this big Hershey bar chocolate or a bar of silver. And people choose like crazy the chocolate bar. Kind of funny, but shows the point. People are not taught about gold and silver on purpose. And sound money say pay tip. Now, this is a great video for quick using affirming sound money wallet and sound money. Did 3 minutes and 18 seconds. So, and then y'all remember our old present video? It is now a peak video and it's cut down. In other words, it's only, instead of being 9 minutes, it's only 4 minutes and 40 seconds, but it contains I like it as a very good peak video. Okay. And if I had to send one, I'd want to send this. I'd really want that at the top, but it's not the first one that plays, unfortunately. And a person will have to click on these and choose the video to play. So if you want them to play this one, Gold and Silver Made Simple, you've got to put that in that message. Click on that arrow, choose the Gold and Silver. It's a 4 minute, just over 4 minute video or just under 5 minute video. Okay. So that's going to be very important. So you will have to tell them what to do in that message. Okay. Now, uh, we're going to go back and we're going to create the other share link. Okay, that's peak. Now let's create a present video. And I get to show you that too. And we're going to just title it present. That's what I do. This is the generic one. Okay. This is the one You can send any place, anytime. You'll want to copy and paste. Keep that in your phone, in your notes, or wherever you keep your prospecting videos. That would be peak and present. So you can send it immediately. You can take advantage of opportune moments when they occur. Again, same thing. You're going to have to put a message in here telling them what to do. Okay. With the present, it's not as important, which I'll show you right now on save changes. Okay. Now we're going to copy that into our memory. I just copied it. You copy it and paste it in your phone. It's the same thing. It's in your phone memory, but I encourage you to create a contact like prospecting. That'd be the title of your prospect, 7K prospecting. And then in the body down in the notes section of that contact, instead of a person's name, telephone number, and all that, you have 7K prospecting. And then you copy, you paste this link there. You paste your peak link. So you say present and then paste the link. You say peak and then paste the link. That's what I would do if you don't know how to use notes, the app notes, or if you don't know how to have savings in your phone, make it as a contact. Okay. So we're gonna go up to that tab and we're going to paste that link in right now. See, paste. And then we're going to go to it. And that would be what a person would do. Okay. They're going to have your name. They're going to have your instructions here, your message to them. And right now, it's set on the right video to watch. And it's pretty much, I can use this when I'm just talking about prospecting a person and telling them about being setting up an account to save their gold and silver and take control of their financial life and create financial insurance and wealth building for what I just talked about. I can use this video. It's very good. I think this is one of the better videos that we've ever had. It's only 8 minutes and 10 seconds. And it doesn't talk a lot about making money with a company, but it does talk about sound money. It presents a total overview real quick of 7K metals, our collectible coins, sound money for bullion, and stack and sell, a place to market and buy and sell collectible coins. This 2-minute and 15-second Vault Max tour is excellent. It gives them a tour of the vault that they get to see it's really there and what it's at and how their money is safe and secure, their gold and silver in that vault. That we have some of the most secure vaults in the world. That's why Lloyd's of London's gives us the best insurance rates in the world. And this is a great 6-minute and 28-second video on rewards referrals share plan. So if they choose to make money, if they choose to do this, this is where they can add an additional set of income as a side gig to what they do while they're building wealth and accumulating wealth. So if you want them to see that, you've got to tell them they've got to click on these and then click on that next video to watch it because it's not an automatic play. Okay? So that's the information I wanted to share. Make sure you have your, back to that. Now you've got your 2 links. You can go in there anytime, click on present. You can copy and paste that either in your phone, your tablet, your iPad, or your computer. You can email it. You can text it. You can DM it. You can link it, message to someone. You can use all the forms of social media to give a private contact to someone. You can, even in other forums that you have, you can put these links but don't just go out and generically share it to the whole world. That that is not the right way to do these things. It's always person to person. Okay? Even though we're in social media, it's person to person. You're not talking to the whole world at one time. That's not effective. Just like always in belly to belly is the best way. Zoom to Zoom works almost as good. Almost as good. See, the more technical you get into it, the more social media type stuff, then you got to personalize it for it to be effective for you. Okay, that got us to there. So let me go show you something else that's pretty neat. So I'm going to go into Bob, my account. Okay. And here's what I want to show you on there. Those of you that already created links, no problem. Cool. Go into your share links. Okay. And let's say I've got one presented for Buddy Avity. Okay. That was done on 3/13/25. It was a present. Okay. Okay. You don't have, here's the good news. You don't have to go and recreate links. You can still use these for follow up. You can still use these to drip with. You can just copy that. I'll show you why. Go to a tab. And remember, I created that 3/13 something. Okay. But the company has already transitioned. Notice I have a different message here. The company has already transitioned those links to the new videos for you. Great news. Okay. So you can see the Vault Max tour, you can see accelerating your wealth, how we make money, and you see the new wealth strategies presentation at there. And by the way, you can go into your back office, into your file vault. I'm going to show you this last one so you don't have to change them. You can still use them. That's the real key here. So all your links work. If you've got generic links already set up for present and for peak, the generic one, you can check it out, but make sure you check it out. It's already set up and converted for you. That's the great news. They were able to do that for it. But the one thing I want to show you next is in the file vault. Any of you that's interested, you can go into your file vault, go into your resources, and now you can get, it's in Keynote. So if you're a PowerPoint or want a PDF, you'll have to convert it. You have to be converted. So if you're not a Keynote user like I am not, okay, I have to download it and then have it converted. And you can put it in your Google Drive or document, and it'll give you a format you can read, okay? And then you can convert from there. Or you can go to use some of the apps. Some of them are good at converting. Some of them are lousy, to be honest with you. But that's where you can get like a PowerPoint presentation of the new wealth strategies for right now. Okay, that's really kind of what I wanted to show you. I really didn't talk about income, but you know me, anytime I do one of these things, I just like to stay compliant for sure, because I don't want to have to take down our doggone videos. Okay. And so, if you want to know more about how we make income with 7K, since we did say there were a share plan, just go, please click on the link, read our income disclosure, and notice we're not investment or advisors or tax advisors or counselors. We just share our own experiences and others' experiences in our team. We would hope that you see this as we do and become part of our team. Thank you for your time and attention. We really appreciate you. I hope this helps all of our current and new members of 7K.